Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view hidden files and folders in Finder on your Mac. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. Let's jump right into it. First of all, go ahead and open a Finder window. So I'm gonna click on this Finder. And now I'm choosing this sci-fi folder. Here you can see that there are only 3 folders available, but there are also some folders, but they are hidden. Now, if you want to see the hidden files from any folders, then normally go to the folder like this sci-fi folder and now press on your keyboard Command, Shift and dot button together. So I'm clicking on Command, Shift and dot button together. And you will see all of the hidden files here. As soon as you do that, hidden files and folders will appear in the Finder window. They usually start with a dot like .hiddendemo1, .hiddendemo2, .hiddendemo3, .vscode. So now you can visit them by clicking on them. On the other hand, if you want to hide them again, just press the same shortcut, Command, Shift and dot together. And now they will disappear. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly toggle hidden files on and off in Finder using just a keyboard shortcut. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Mr. Techfox for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum.